Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Andrea, and today I am back for another unboxing video for you guys. As you could see, I'm wearing this pink fur coat because I'm feeling so cold and I just want to be cozy. Anyway, finally I'm going to do another unboxing video for you guys. Like what I've said, I've actually ordered an item from Jacquemus.com, and I thought it was just from London website. I'm quite surprised. This parcel was actually delivered straight from France. So that's the address right there. So yeah, it arrived after 5 days upon order. So let's just open this bad boy right here because I am so excited. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Actually, I've actually ripped off it already because I know how can it be so hard on opening the hard cardboard. It's quite chunky, but you would be surprised what's inside. And this is the box. And inside, can you see? There's the Jacquemus logo, which is now it's gonna be on the bean. Are you ready? Look how fancy the box is. And it's in a red velvet hardboard box packaging that I really love with the Jacquemus logo on the front. Are you ready? Let's just open this bad boy right here because I am so excited. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh, it's quite tight. I can't actually open it. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! And there's just a piece of paper. And the first one is the receipt that says Jacquemus. And I've got, oh my goodness, are you ready? I've got the Porte Bambino or the Micro Bambino, and I'm really so excited. I've got in the size extra small or Microbag. Are you ready? And then there's just an envelope with the Jacquemus logo, and as you flip it over, it just says mercy or thank you. Loved it. There you are. And then to reveal the star of the show is just right there with this tissue paper. Let's just rip it off, shall we? Are you ready? Oh, I don't want to rip it off, but that's what it's there for. You have to rip it off. Oh my goodness. How's everyone doing? And this is just a pieces of tissue paper to protect the bag. This is the dust bag. Drawstring dust bag with the Jacquemus logo on it. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Ta-da! Oh, you can't really see because it's camouflaging with my outfit. So, there you are. Can you see? It is so small. If I just lay it down on my palm, look how cute is that. It's so small. So, this is the Microbag Bambino. Microbag Bambino. It is so small. Literally, I don't think anything can fit in there, but I just love it. I've got in the color red. It's in a cuff leather with silver hardware. The only downside that I don't like about this one is the silver hardware. I wish it was in a gold hardware, but it's just available in silver hardware. So this is how it looks like. That's the side, and that's the back, and there's a Jacquemus embossed logo. It's a flap opening, and it's just a one small compartment. You can close it down, carry this as a top handle, as an arm candy, or actually you can attach a silver chain strap. And this is the base, there's no fit. And one more thing, you can actually use this one as a wristlet like so. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. I really love it. So there you are, you guys. That's my Micro Bambino, or my Porte Bambino from Jacquemus. And this retails for £225. Thank you all guys for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye. Mwah.